Hey everybody, there's going to be two parts to this presentation. The first presentation is just a recap of an update of the USTEC Forex trading that has been going on for 12 months. We've actually managed to hit 530% ROI so far. And as you can see from the charts and from the details of all the trade executions, we're actually consistent. And I'm going to show you guys all the trades that has been taken since last year June, and so you can see exactly how it has been going so far. So if you want to know the history of the trades that were taken for USTEC, you can see my other videos. I actually discuss it, but this is just an update so you guys can know. You can see what's possible in Forex when you're trading. Just for information, this account started with 3,000. Now it's at least above almost 18,000. All right, so yeah, that's basically the USTEC trading. One thing I want to mention about USTEC trading NASDAQ, it's so what I like about trading this pair is like the volatility. It's so volatile that there's always opportunity every day. Every single day there's opportunity, and you can literally make on average $100 or even more. As you see from what I'm displaying right now, from the trade history, this basically all the trades that were taken since last year June. I'm just giving you guys a quick recap. I'm also gonna give you guys information of our subreddit forum, so that if you guys want to come to our subreddit forum, we've got two EAs that are used by the users that are on our forum right now, and also we have free information. I'm talking about trading strategies, trading methodology, trading psychology, trading skills. There's many discussion on our forum, and if you come down to our forum, you're gonna see that we we only focus on good information. I'm not gonna talk too much about the history of the trades that we're taking here. I'm just giving you guys an update, because the last update I gave you guys was a few months ago. A few months ago we're about, I think, 411, 450%. Right now we're setting right now at 530% of ROI so far. I'm projecting that this EA is probably gonna make, by the end of the year, I think it's gonna reach at least maybe 700 or 750%. This is an hypothesis. This, as you know, the Forex market, you cannot predict the future. But based on the data that I have right now, if this continues, we are projected to hit at least 700%, even more. So I'll keep you guys up to date and stick around. There's a second part to this presentation. If you want to join our forum, where we post good information, where we have two good EAs that our licenses are using, everything will be in the link in the comment section. So without further ado, let's move on to the next phase.